Unveiling the enchanting charm of Cameron Highlands. Nestled amidst the lush green hills of Malaysia, Cameron Highlands, also known as Tanah Tinggi Cameron in Malay, is a captivating destination that attracts visitors with its picturesque landscapes, cool climate, and verdant vegetation. This scenic mountain retreat has become a favorite among nature lovers, adventure seekers, and those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Join us on an exciting journey as we explore the fascinating wonders and unique experiences that await you in the magnificent Cameron Highlands. A green paradise. Stepping into Cameron Highlands is like entering a vibrant green paradise. Rolling tea plantations, expansive strawberry farms, and fragrant gardens paint the entire landscape with vivid colors. Thanks to the cool climate brought about by high altitude, various plants thrive and flourish here. Strolling through mossy forests, with thick mist and swirling clouds, creates an otherworldly ambience that exudes tranquility and serenity. Tea Plantation, located on the lush hills of Cameron Highlands, Tea Plantation is a must-visit for tea enthusiasts. Explore the vast tea gardens, where verdant tea bushes stretch as far as the eye can see. In the charming tea house of the plantation, learn about the tea-making process and savor a refreshing cup of tea. The panoramic views of the surrounding hills offered by the plantation are truly breathtaking. Mossy Forest. Step into the Mossy Forest, a mysterious and picturesque spot in Cameron Highlands. Take a mesmerizing journey along mist-covered trails, where you'll encounter a range of unique plant species, including moss, ferns, and carnivorous plants. The dense fog and hanging moss create a surreal atmosphere that transports you to a magical realm. Strawberry farms. Visit the strawberry farms of Cameron Highlands to satisfy your sweet cravings. Enjoy the experience of hand-picking fresh strawberries and savor their juicy sweetness. Many farms also offer delicious strawberry-themed treats like strawberry ice cream, milkshakes, and jams. It's an experience that delights both the young and the young at heart. Cameron Lavender Garden. Immerse yourself in a sea of purple at the Cameron Lavender Garden. This enchanting garden features fragrant lavender fields, vibrant flowers, and whimsical decorations. Take a leisurely stroll along the lavender pathways, inhaling the serene fragrance, and capture stunning photos in the picturesque setting. Time Tunnel Museum. Step back in time at the Time Tunnel Museum, which showcases the history and culture of Cameron Highlands. Explore the extensive collection of retro artifacts, including photographs, antiques, and vintage items. Gain a deeper understanding of the region's past and how it has evolved into the popular tourist destination it is today. Cameron Highlands is a destination that captivates with its natural beauty, cool climate, and unique attractions. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a break from ordinary life, this charming mountain retreat offers a satisfying experience for everyone. Plan your trip to Cameron Highlands and discover the enchanting charm that awaits you in this picturesque paradise.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.